Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start with a clean canvas. In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin B3-20 face serum. First, gently cleanse your face to remove any makeup or dirt. Use a mild cleanser and rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Then, pat your skin almost dry with a soft towel, leaving it slightly damp. This helps the serum absorb better. Now for the application. Take 2 to 3 drops of the vitamin B3-20 serum onto your fingertips. Gently pat the serum all over your face and neck, avoiding the delicate eye area. Do not rub it in vigorously. Instead, let your skin absorb it naturally. This ensures even distribution and maximum benefit. After the serum has fully absorbed, follow up with your favorite moisturizer to lock in hydration. You can use this vitamin B3-20 serum once or twice a day, depending on your skin's needs and sensitivity. Consistency is crucial, so make it a regular part of your skincare routine for optimal results. This vitamin B3-20 serum offers many benefits, including improving skin texture and reducing the appearance of fine lines. It also helps with overall skin tone and brightness. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you feeling your best. Hydration is important for healthy skin, inside and out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.